Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Albert's slot channel analytics. He has uploaded 1,190 videos. He now has 57.6k subscribers with a total view of 32,206,358 views. He's from US, and his channel type is games. He created his channel since July 15, 2006. The grade he got is B. He ranked at 65,028th in US and 33,979th in games. Next, the daily subs for Albert is around 24 with a daily view of 21,198. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 21,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $84. Then, monthly income will be $2,520. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,386 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $16,632. That is how much Albert's slot channel earns from YouTube.